On this episode of Motorvate's Do-It-Yourself Garage, we are going to stop rust for as long as we can. When I was under the car fixing a ruptured differential bushing using some 5-minute epoxy, I noticed a lot of rust on the rear subframe. As we all know, once rust starts, it's difficult to stop it, but we can slow it down a lot. And here's how. Take a wire brush and remove all the loose rust and peeling paint. Now, you may think the next step is to spray on some undercoating and we are done. However, there's one more important step that needs to be done to maximize how long it takes for the rust to return. For many years, I've had good luck with Permatex Rust Dissolver Gel. It uses phosphoric acid to convert the rust to ferric phosphate, whatever that is. All I know is that it works. Simply apply the pink colored gel with a small brush and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, wipe it off with a wet rag. See the difference? The brown rust is now clean, bare metal. Now we are ready for the undercoating. Any undercoating spray should work well. I used a black asphalt undercoating made by Dominion SureSeal. It seems to work well and costs less than $4 per can at Canadian Tire. Just spray it on to give it a protective coating. It's really that easy. Now, the true test of any fix is the test of time. Stay tuned for a future episode where we will have a look after 8 months and its first salty Canadian winter to see how well it is doing.